students, welcome. I am Varsha ma'am. So this is the video for the concept of locus. Okay, so many students ask me what do you mean by locus. Okay, so in the 10th standards you have a basic things of locus. So first you should know what is locus. Locus is the path traced out by a moving point which moves according to some given geometrical condition. So this word is very important, and which moves. Okay, so that is important under a condition, geometrical condition. Okay, locus is a word, it is a plural form, that is loci. So you can call it as locus or loci. Okay, so under geometrical condition, so see kids, just we have a point. Okay, so this is a fixed point, just give a name O, and you are taking another point with a particular distance. So let me take it as a 5 centimeter. Okay, so this point is big, so this point is moving here, same distance 5 centimeter. So again it is moving this one. See, the distance is remaining constant, it is not changing, it is 5. So this is 5. Okay, so if it is here, so this is also 5. The P is moving under a condition, so that condition is 5 centimeter between the distance of fixed point from O. So this is P. Okay, so every point. So when you join, what we get? So we get circle. So this is the locus of the point P. Okay students, do you understand? So the condition is the distance between the points should be constant, it is not equal. It should be equal. Okay, so the 5 centimeter should not be changed. So O is a fixed point and P is a moving point and the distance is 5 centimeter. So whatever it is, the distance, but the P is moving under a particular distance. Okay, so this is what locus. And say kids, we have a parallel lines. Okay, just we take a parallel line. So in this condition, this parallel line, a distance, it's a equal distance from the both of the lines. Okay, so this is AB and CD. Let me take a point from the equal distance of this point, that is P. Okay, so and the equal distance again it is P. So it is moving. Okay, here also it is moving, but the distance from the AB and CDs both are equal. Okay, so what do we get finally? So this is the news line, the movement of P. When you join, what do we get? It's a parallel line. So parallel to XY, AB and CD. Okay, so see another thing. So when you take a line, so this line is 8 centimeter. Okay students, so I am going to take a point from the equal distance of the two sides. Okay, so let me take A and B. So if you take at what point, what distance? Take it as 4 and 4. Okay, so this point is a midpoint. Okay, so this is P, it is going to move. So what do we get finally? So the P is moving here. Okay, so it is moving like so. It is moving. What is that condition? So it is equal distance from A and B. So here also it is equal distance. Okay, so it is moving this way. So here it is also, the point is, the distance is not changed. Okay, so this point P is moving, this is also moving. What do we get finally? What is the locus of this point? Yes, so this point, when you join, we get. Okay, so take it as a line. So the locus of the point PXY is a perpendicular bisector of the given line AB. So AB, see, the locus of the P is a point, it is moving according to the geometrical condition. What is that condition? The condition is from the point A and B, it is a equal distance. Okay, so the distance is not changed, so it is moving according to this condition. So after joining, we get it is a perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay students, do you understand ma? So we have a circle and a parallel line and this line. Okay, so this is a perpendicular. So again, if you have a angle, so okay, so take it as this angle. So x, y and z. So we have some angle. Okay, so now we are going to take a point. So let me say it as P from the equal distance of this two lines xy and yz. So it will be here. So again I am going to take a equal distance point. So see kids, this point is a P point, P. Okay, so it is moving according the condition. What is that condition? It is from the distance, it is both are equal. Okay, so what do we get finally after joining this line? Say, let me say YA. So OA or AY, it is a, yes, it is a angle bisector. Okay, angle bisector of the line YA. Sorry, XY is that angle, XY is Z. So you have angle XY is Z, the angle is in the place of Y. So after joining P, the point moving the condition equal distance from the XY and YZ. So after joining we get angle bisector of XYZ. Okay, so this is locus. So can you understand what is locus? Okay, so see kids, we are just taking a circle under some R. Okay, so another point, that point is P. Okay, so that point is from the equal distance of R. The P is here, so it is moving according to that condition. So which is condition? It is center point and this point is equal. So we get, what do we get? We get another circle. Okay, another circle. Okay students, so this is what is, so locus of the points. Okay, so what do you mean by locus? Locus is a point, it's a path traced out by a moving point which moves according to some given geometrical condition. So what type of questions you have? They will give a geometrical condition. We have to analyze what is it. Is it a circle or is it a bisector, angle bisector or perpendicular bisector to the line? Is it form a circle? Is it a parallel line? So that type of question you will have in your examinations in this lesson. So this lesson there are a lot of questions are there in the locus lesson. So if you want to learn more, let me say, if you say, I will proceed with many videos. Okay, so I hope you will understand the concept of the locus. Okay, so if you like this video, please give a like symbol, share with your friends and please comment students. Okay, thank you.